interested in cybersecurity and do not know where to start? Stay tuned. This video is for a beginner who is looking for a career change. If you want to pursue knowledge and skills in cybersecurity, you are in the right place. This video will share some fantastic free cybersecurity courses that are perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. First course is Introduction to Cybersecurity by Cisco Networking Academy. In this self-paced course, you will learn cybersecurity basics to protect your personal digital life and gain insight into the most significant security challenges companies, governments, and educational institutes face today. You can access the course materials and participate in interactive activities through Cisco's online learning platform, Skills for All. The course is free and allows one to earn a certificate upon completion. Second course, Cyber Threat Management. Cyber Threat Management course develops the advanced knowledge you need as a cybersecurity technician. This course explores governance in cybersecurity and threat management. You will also gain skills for managing threats, such as assessing a network for vulnerabilities, managing risks, and responding to security incidents. The course is free, and Cisco Networking Academy issues a certificate upon completion. Cybersecurity Certificate by ISC2. ISC2 launched the new Certified in Cybersecurity training program, 1 million certified in cybersecurity. The first 1 million people who sign up for a training program will have free access to the training course and certificate exam. The program covers the foundation of entry-level knowledge in security principles, business continuity, disaster recovery, incident response, access controls, network security, and security operations. It is a self-study course including certificate exam with limited time opportunity. SOC Level 1 by TryHackMe. The course will help you to earn practical knowledge to work as a junior security analyst in a security operations center. The course is free and you get a certificate after successfully complete the course. This course includes monitoring and investigating alerts, configuring and managing security tools, developing and implementing intrusion detection system, incident response, and forensic investigation. We selected some courses from Cybrary, which is a free information technology and cybersecurity training portal. It delivers more than 50 free courses and certificate preparations for different levels. Our first suggestion from Cybrary portal is Entry-Level Cybersecurity Training course. It gives you the foundation knowledge you need to get started. The second course from Cybrary is Introduction to IT and Cybersecurity. This course introduces you to different information technology and IT careers. The main goal of the course is to help you to decide on the right career, such as network administration, ethical hacking, incident responder, cybersecurity analyst, system administration, and cybersecurity architect. The third course from Cybrary is Fundamentals of Cybersecurity Architecture. It helps you to understand how security controls should position in a system architecture to maintain confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. This course is designed for beginners and provides practical experience with Linux, Python, and SQL. The program is offered by Google in partnership with Coursera, which offers a 7 days free trial and financial aid. This course consists of Foundation of Cybersecurity, Managing Security Risk, Network Security, Automated Cybersecurity Tasks with Python, Linux, and SQL, which prepare you for cybersecurity jobs such as Junior Cybersecurity Analyst and Cybersecurity Engineer. These are our top recommendations for free cybersecurity courses for beginners. Whether you want to pursue a career in cybersecurity or simply enhance your online security, these courses will provide you with valuable knowledge and skills. Remember, continuous learning is essential in your cybersecurity journey, so take advantage of these resources and keep expanding your cybersecurity expertise. If you find it informative, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribe if you want it. Stay secure, stay protected.